Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. In this video I am going to show you how to check your WAEC result. So all you need to do is to kindly follow this video to the end. It's going to be nice, and if it's your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. So all you need to do, you go to your Chrome browser, then you search how to check WAEC result. How to check how to check WAEC result. Then you click on the go. Then you click on the WAEC Result Checker here. So it will take you to this place. This is where to check your result. So in this place, you enter your examination number. And in this place, you enter examination year, which is 2025. And in this place, if you click that place now, you can see two options here. So you choose the second option, which is school candidate result here. Then in this place, you enter your PIN. And the last option, you enter your serial number. And immediately you have entered your serial number, you click on the submit. So if you click on the submit, your WAEC result will be displayed. So that is how you can check your WAEC result. So this is what I have for you for today, and if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.